Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Darrell Addison. I'm the founder and inventor of a growing system called Torpedopot. Well, all you do is put your seeds and your plants in this planter right here. You never water, you never feed, and it grows your plants for you. And it grows lots and lots of plants. Lots and lots of plants. In this area here, we expect to do about 100 to 200 cucumbers in just this one area. These are planters that grow with no human intervention. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in these planters and they take off and grow your food for you. So we're going to get a lot of cuties, and there are going to be an awful lot of them. So in each one of these planters, we have between 5 and 7 plants, and they've been growing by themselves with no human intervention. We expect to yield to begin between 100 to 200 cucumbers, and they look fantastic. I'm so excited about what's going on here. I'm working hard to try to get these things done, and they're just climbing and growing and exceeding all of our expectations. And I really do love it. I really do love it. Torpedo pots. Again, guys, we don't water, we never feed, we only supplement, and we're guaranteed to have food for the rest of our lives. And not just food, lots and lots of food. It's a natural growing environment that grows your food organically. You don't have to grow your food anymore. Most of you are not successful growing your foods anyhow. Inside these planters, they're designed to create a microbial environment because we're trying to grow the microbes in the soil, not necessarily the plants themselves. The plants will grow as long as the microbes are present. And Torpedopot does a great job of growing those microbes. Darrell Addison, Torpedopot.com, Darrell Addison, Torpedopot.com, where we make self-growing planters that ensure your food supply for the rest of your life. And they're absolutely gorgeous, guys. I'll talk to you later. All right, bye-bye.